For more than 4 decades, the F-16 Fighting Falcon has dominated skies across the world. While many assume it has been surpassed by newer stealth fighters, the reality is far more surprising. Today, over 3,000 F-16s are still actively serving in air forces across more than 25 countries, flying real combat missions, not just training exercises. This aircraft, first introduced in the 1970s, continues to evolve in ways few people truly understand. The F-16 is not just a legacy jet kept alive by nostalgia. It remains a cornerstone of modern air power because of design choices, adaptability, and strategic value that newer aircraft often struggle to match. From high-intensity conflicts to everyday air policing, the Fighting Falcon continues to prove its worth. In this video, we'll explore 7 rarely discussed reasons why the F-16 Fighting Falcon is still highly relevant today. Reasons that go beyond speed, firepower, or age. And once you see them clearly, you'll understand why this aircraft refuses to fade into history. Number 1. Proven combat record across decades. The F-16 has participated in combat operations continuously since the early 1980s, logging millions of flight hours across multiple theaters of war. It has been used in air-to-air combat, close air support, suppression of enemy air defenses, and precision strike missions. This matters because combat-proven platforms offer reliability that simulations can't replicate. The F-16 systems, flight behavior, and weapons integration have been refined through real-world engagements. Militaries trust it because they know exactly how it performs under stress, in hostile environments, and against evolving threats. What's often ignored is how this long combat history reduces operational risk. Commanders plan missions with confidence, and pilots train with tactics shaped by decades of real encounters. This depth of experience is rarely discussed publicly, yet it quietly shapes modern air strategies worldwide. Number 2. Exceptional cost-to-performance ratio. An F-16 costs significantly less to acquire, operate, and maintain compared to 5th-generation fighters. Operating costs are often less than half per flight hour when compared to stealth platforms. Lower costs mean more flight hours, more pilot training, and more aircraft available at any given time. For many air forces, this translates into sustained readiness rather than a small fleet of highly advanced but rarely flown jets. What's often overlooked is how affordability affects strategic endurance. In prolonged conflicts, numbers and sustainability matter. The F-16 allows air forces to stay active longer without exhausting budgets, a reality rarely highlighted in public discussions focused on cutting-edge technology alone. Number 3. Continuous modernization capability. The F-16 is still receiving major upgrades, including AESA radars, advanced avionics, modern data links, and new weapon integrations, especially in its latest Block 70 and 72 variants. This modular upgrade path allows the aircraft to adapt to modern battlefields without a full redesign. New sensors improve detection, targeting, and survivability, keeping the F-16 interoperable with newer aircraft and NATO systems. Many overlook how this flexibility future-proofs the jet. Instead of becoming obsolete, the F-16 evolves. This reduces the technological gap between generations and explains why air forces continue investing in it rather than replacing it entirely. Number 4. Pilot-centered design advantage. The F-16 was one of the first fighters designed with fly-by-wire controls, a reclined seat, and a bubble canopy, maximizing pilot visibility and endurance. These features reduce fatigue, improve situational awareness, and allow pilots to endure high-G maneuvers longer. In combat, even small ergonomic advantages can decide outcomes. What's rarely discussed is how pilot-friendly design improves long-term force quality. Pilots transition faster, train more efficiently, and maintain higher confidence in the aircraft, an intangible but powerful advantage in air combat. Number 5. Multi-role mission flexibility. The F-16 can switch between air-to-air, air-to-ground, and electronic warfare roles with minimal configuration changes. This flexibility allows a single platform to handle multiple mission types, reducing the need for specialized aircraft. It also simplifies logistics and mission planning during dynamic operations. Public discussions often focus on specialized jets, but real-world conflicts demand adaptability. The F-16's ability to do good enough at many roles often proves more valuable than perfection in just one. Number 6. Global interoperability and support network. With dozens of operators worldwide, the F-16 benefits from a massive global supply chain, shared training programs, and standardized maintenance practices. This interoperability allows allied forces to operate together seamlessly. Parts availability, pilot exchanges, and shared tactics reduce friction during joint operations. What's rarely mentioned is how this network lowers geopolitical risk. Countries operating the F-16 gain strategic alignment benefits, something newer, less widely adopted platforms can't easily replicate. Number 7. Strategic relevance in modern warfare. In modern conflicts, not every mission requires stealth or extreme capability. The F-16 fills the critical space between high-end fighters and basic aircraft. It handles patrols, interception, and precision strikes efficiently, freeing advanced stealth assets for missions that truly require them. The public often equates relevance with novelty, but militaries value balance. The F-16 remains relevant because it fits real operational needs, not hype, and that quiet relevance is exactly why it's still flying today. The story of the F-16 Fighting Falcon is not about refusing to move on. It's about understanding what truly works. In an era dominated by headlines about stealth fighters and next-generation technology, the F-16 quietly continues to do what air forces need most: fly often, adapt quickly, and deliver results reliably. Its relevance doesn't come from being the newest aircraft in the sky, but from being one of the most useful. What makes the F-16 remarkable is balance. It balances cost with capability, simplicity with sophistication, and legacy with modernization. While newer jets push the limits of technology, the F-16 anchors modern air power with proven performance and strategic flexibility. That's why nations don't just keep it, they upgrade it, rely on it, and plan their future around it. In military aviation, longevity is never accidental. Aircraft survive for decades only when they continue to solve real problems in real missions. The F-16 Fighting Falcon has done exactly that, and continues to do so today. And as long as air forces value readiness, adaptability, and smart strategy over hype, the Fighting Falcon story is far from over.